Hi, welcome to Encore Photoshop. Today we are going to see about background removal without losing the hair. Download the image like this. Select Load Selection tool and select the image like in this video. Click on the Refine Edge option and the dialog box will open. Select the option what you want and select this option like in this video. And select New Layer with Layer Mask option. And do like in this video. You will get transparent image without losing the hair. Create new layer under this layer. Fill the background with what color you want like this. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe Encore Photoshop and hit the bell icon.